Hey there! If you're over 40 and worried about your blood sugar, stay with me. Quick note: this video is for education only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor for diagnosis or treatment. I'm your host from Truth or Toxic Nutra Reviews. Today I'll walk you through 10 prediabetes warning signs most people miss. Let's see if any of these sound familiar. Warning sign number 1, constant thirst. Are you drinking water all day, but never really feeling satisfied? When blood sugar is high, your body tries to flush out extra sugar through your kidneys. That makes you pee more, and then feel thirsty again. If you suddenly need water all the time and it's not hot weather or heavy exercise, that could be an early warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Warning sign number 2, frequent urination. Are you running to the bathroom more than usual, especially at night? When blood sugar is elevated, your kidneys work overtime to get rid of the extra sugar. That means more trips to the bathroom day and night. If your sleep is getting interrupted because you keep getting up to pee, it's time to pay attention. Warning sign number 3, unusual fatigue. Do you feel exhausted even after a full night of sleep? When your body can't use glucose properly for energy, your cells are basically running on low fuel. You feel drained, weak, or wiped out for no clear reason. If you're always tired but your lifestyle hasn't changed, this might be an early sign of blood sugar issues. Warning sign number 4, blurry vision. If your vision suddenly looks fuzzy, or it comes and goes during the day, don't ignore it. High blood sugar can pull fluid into and out of the lens of your eye. That can make everything look blurred or out of focus. If your vision is changing, talk to your eye doctor and your regular doctor about getting your blood sugar checked. Warning sign number 5, tingling or numbness in your hands or feet. Do you feel pins and needles in your fingers or toes? Or a numb, sleepy feeling that keeps coming back? Over time, high blood sugar can damage your nerves. This is called neuropathy. If you notice tingling, burning, or numbness regularly, that's a red flag your blood sugar might be out of control. Warning sign number 6, slow healing cuts and bruises. Are small cuts, scratches, or bruises taking much longer to heal than they used to? High blood sugar can affect your circulation and weaken your immune response. That slows down your body's natural healing process. If you keep noticing wounds that just won't heal, don't brush it off. Warning sign number 7, unexplained weight gain. Are you gaining weight even though your diet and activity haven't changed much? When blood sugar is high and insulin isn't working well, your body may store more fat instead of using sugar for energy. If the scale keeps going up and you can't explain why, your blood sugar could be part of the story. Warning sign number 8, dark patches on your skin. Look at the back of your neck, your armpits, or skin folds. Do you see dark velvety patches? That condition is called acanthosis nigricans. It's often linked to insulin resistance, which is a major risk factor for prediabetes. If you notice these patches, ask your doctor about checking your blood sugar and insulin levels. Warning sign number 9, increased hunger. Do you feel hungry all the time, even right after eating? When your cells can't use glucose properly, your body thinks it's not getting enough fuel. So it keeps sending hunger signals. If you're always reaching for snacks and never feel satisfied, that could be a warning sign. Warning sign number 10, mood changes and brain fog. Do you feel more irritable, anxious, or down lately? Do you struggle to focus or think clearly? Blood sugar swings can affect your mood, your energy, and your mental clarity. If you feel off mentally and emotionally, and it doesn't make sense, your blood sugar might be involved. Let's recap. Here are the 10 warning signs after 40. Constant thirst, frequent urination, unusual fatigue, blurry vision, tingling or numbness in hands and feet, slow healing cuts and bruises, unexplained weight gain, dark patches on the skin, increased hunger, mood changes and brain fog. These are your body's early signals that something might be wrong with your blood sugar. The good news? you can take action. Here's what to do next. See your doctor and get your blood sugar tested. Don't guess. Track your symptoms. Write down which of these you notice. Start small changes. Move more. Eat whole foods, drink more water, sleep better. If you want more honest supplement breakdowns and practical tips for blood sugar and metabolic health, hit subscribe to Truth or Toxic Nutra Reviews. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear about these warning signs. Your health matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.